Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim. Bangladeshi name is Shimulmul. English name I don't know idea, and no, I don't know English name. Try again. Amazing taste. Look, Shimulmul. English name I don't know. I am sorry, bro. Look, amazing taste. I am try again. অসাধারণ, this is অসাধারণ, beautiful taste. Amazing scenery and rain day. Please comment English name, please. Bangladeshi name is Shimulmul. English name I don't know idea. Finish. Bye bye everyone.